Hey everybody, it's Maquillage with Lola. I know that I usually do things with makeup. I'm usually in the makeup, you know, showing you my makeup hauls, showing you different looks with makeup. But I think, you know, starting with the new year, I wanted to stretch out a little bit and do more hair things as well as makeup. I just wanted to be like probably like an all-around beauty thing. So this is going to be my first hair thing, and let me tell y'all, this is not a tutorial. This is not a hair tutorial, okay? I have a friend who did this technique for this ponytail that she had it, and I just wanted to try it or whatever. Like the way that she did on her hair, it cut so much time than, you know, than the way that I usually see it, and it actually looked so much better. So what I'm going to do now is actually just try out that the hairstyle that my friend did. First, I'm going to, let me get this, I'm gonna get an extra mirror and sit it like right here so I could kind of see a little bit what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna get my mist bottle and just spray around it just a little bit. Okay, all right, I'm going to use a little bit of this Eco styling gel, the kind that has the olive oil in it. I like this one better because I don't get none of those I don't get none of that flaking. Back I have my little wrap that I use to hold down my edges and everything. So I'm going to use this and put this right around the front so it can hold the edges down. Okay, sorry. Okay, I got the edges laid down. Alright, now I just went to the beauty supply store and got like the cheapest, you know, cutesy looking hair. I only got one bundle. This is actually OUTRE, and it is Peruvian in the color 1B. So, and it is 22 inches. So we are going to use that to do our style. This is 22 inches, and it's just one bundle. And again, I got the Peruvian because I like the little I like all that, you know, curliness, cuteness. All right, so but okay, so she took like the first, you know, a little piece of the first finger hair, and she wrapped it around all the way around, completely around. Okay, she wrapped it completely around. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that piece in with a bobby pin. I'm gonna seal that in. Okay, now we're at the end, and if you can see, I'm going to take about this much of the hair and just hold it, put it down with the weft like this. And I'm going to, okay, and I get to the end of that, and we are going to take our pen and pin it in. Okay, so I put it in. Right now it still looks a little thin. You could probably still see the plait in the middle, but what I'm going to do is first I'm going to comb it out with a wide tooth comb. Let's see if you could go back some. Okay, alright, so this is what I'm doing. Just so that the hair can bush out some. After I do this, I'm going to wet it up some. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So I'm turning this so I can see my mirror a little bit, but yeah, let me do. Okay, I'm back. This is the end result. How do you like it? Let me see. I like it. And it was really quick and easy to do. Like this is, I'm probably going to use this a couple of times. It was a really quick, easy hairstyle to do. And you know, get it in, get your face on, and get going. Let me stop talking to the mirror and talk to you. Okay, so it was a very easy style to do. Easy to get your face on. When you're done, you got extra time because the hairstyle only took like that much time. Okay, so let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you feel. Do you like it? Yes, no? Let me know if you try it out. You know, how did it work for you? Just let me know. If you didn't like it, still let me know, because I would still like to know that. Personally, I like it. This is probably going to be like one of my go-tos when I don't have much time, but I still want to look presentable, still want to look good and everything. So this is the end of that. I'm glad it turned out so well. If you like this video, you know what you got to do. You got to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below, because I love reading my comments and I love getting thumbs up, okay? No one likes a thumbs down. No one likes, you know, a sour puss. Only positive vibes here, okay? Secondly, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, because you want to be around when the other videos pop up, okay? Now, I'm working on my schedule. Like I said, I'm working on incorporating more hair things in with the makeup. So we'll be doing makeup, hair, and who knows, it may even go to fashion. You know what I'm saying? But you're going to miss out on those videos if you don't subscribe and turn on your notifications button. See, you're going to want to do all of that, okay? So again, you want to comment, ding, like, ding, subscribe, ding, and most important, ding, turn on that notifications button. All right. All right, I thank y'all for being with me, for trying this out with me. Again, if you did it, you ain't like it, let me know. If you did it and you did like it, let me know. I love you all. I love all of my maquillage beauties out there. I love all of you. You guys make my days, okay? Please believe when I tell you that. If you like the face, something I did real quick, nothing too, you know, wow. Just a face to throw on and go outside, you know, go to the store, go to a mall, whatever. Nothing too serious. But if you want me to do a tutorial on that, leave a comment down below and I surely will do that, okay? And once again, I would like to say goodbye to all of my maquillage beauties. I love you all, and I'll see you next time, right? 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 Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Love y'all. Bye.